Hello Agilists. Welcome back to Agile Scrum Mania, your space to master Agile and Scrum practices. Today's topic is user story estimation advanced techniques. If you're already familiar with story points and planning poker, this video will take you one step further. We'll explore advanced approaches that Scrum teams use to estimate effectively, reduce bias, and make sprint planning more predictable. Why estimation matters. Estimation in Agile is not about predicting exact effort, but about understanding complexity, aligning team members, improving forecasting, supporting release planning. Now, let's dive into advanced techniques beyond the basics. 1. Affinity estimation. Instead of debating every story, teams place stories quickly in relative order. Here's how it works. Lay out all user stories on a virtual or physical board. The team silently arranges them from smallest to largest in terms of effort. Once ordered, assign story point values in groups. Benefit: saves time, avoids endless discussions. Best for large backlogs needing quick sizing. 2. Bucket system. Think of buckets like labeled containers: 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Steps: place a few reference stories into the right buckets. Pick one story at a time and assign it to a bucket. If the team disagrees, they discuss briefly and reassign. Benefit: handles 50+ stories in under an hour. Best for release level estimation. 3. T-shirt sizing with calibration. Basic t-shirt sizing is small, medium, large. Advanced teams map these sizes to story points. Example: small equals 3 points, medium equals 5 points, large equals 8 points. Benefit: keeps things simple yet structured. Best for teams transitioning from abstract story points. 4. Voting estimation. Each team member gets a set number of dots or votes. They vote on the size of a story by placing dots under an estimate. The majority vote decides, but outliers explain their reasoning. Benefit: encourages participation from everyone. Best for teams where few members usually dominate discussions. 5. Relative mass estimation. Here the team compares groups of stories simultaneously, rather than one at a time. Think of it like comparing the weight of fruits in your hands, apple versus watermelon. Teams categorize multiple stories into relative buckets quickly. Benefit: speed and relativity. Best for estimating when backlog refinement time is limited. 6. Monte Carlo simulation. Advanced forecasting. This one is more mathematical. Instead of relying only on points, teams use historical data, such as throughput or cycle time, and run simulations to forecast delivery. It tells you things like, there's an 85% chance we'll finish 20 stories by release date. Benefit: data-driven, reduces human bias. Best for mature teams with enough historical data. 7. No estimates approach. Some advanced Agile teams drop estimation entirely. Instead, they focus on splitting stories small enough that all items are similar in size. Flow metrics like cycle time and throughput replace story points. Benefit: eliminates wasteful estimation debates. Best for high-performing teams with strong backlog refinement. Key takeaways: estimation should be lightweight, collaborative, and relative. Use the right technique based on team maturity, backlog size, and context. Remember, the goal of estimation is shared understanding and predictability, not perfection. If you found these advanced estimation techniques valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Agile Scrum Mania. Drop a comment below, speech bubble emoji. Which technique does your team use for estimation? Until next time, keep your sprints predictable and your backlog refined. Rocket emoji. Happy scrumming.